$5.90 Crumbling Ridge. We have a lot of just random items scattered around. This is not real grass. There were lots of kids playing in the park areas when we pulled up. It is a weekend. It's a 3-day weekend, so that's to be expected. But we do look for kids playing. It gives the idea of a safer neighborhood. It gives the feel of a safer neighborhood. There's no wood frame around the garage. It needs to be maintained. That's nice. There are a lot of screens. The front door didn't open, so we're coming through this way. There's a step up. Laminate flooring. Change laminate. I think this is a lift. So this is the front door here. And it has the 2.5-inch faux wood blinds that we like behind these curtains. So there is a closet, greenish carpet, vertical blinds, high ceilings, a ceiling fan, and a light. Cabinets they appear to be in good shape. The poles are somewhat dated, so we'll see what Jenny has to say about that. The fridge looks a little small. It fits the space, but it seems a little short. Also a Jenny call. So this is the second set of blinds, third. So we have 3 blinds so far that need to be replaced with 2.5-inch faux wood blinds. We have a very small paper section out here, but it is a small yard. Wouldn't be much to put in some rocks here. And we have a full shed. Lots of little items that we would ask to be removed at the close of escrow. Vinyl. I think it's vinyl, it's not tile. Cabinets are in good shape. So that's a room. Okay, so cabinets are in good shape. These don't need blinds, and